Gray skies, calm killer, drops crash, earth shivers, peace in death's mirror. Thunder rolls, heart steady, dark clouds, arms heavy, lightning strikes, cold and deadly, weather, spirits ready. Coziness in rain, nature soothing pain, shelter from the bane, in comfort we remain. Shadows dance, soft grace, wind chills, no haste. In the storm we embrace, warriors in our place. Silent chaos brews, serenity reigns muse. Battles come we choose, nature's gentle fuse. Muffled sounds, truth unveiled, night's grip, wind's gale. In the tempest we sail, life's harshness, frailty, pain. Coziness in rain, nature soothing pain, shelter from the bane, in comfort we remain. Muffled sounds, truth unveiled, night's grip, wind's gale. In the tempest we sail, life's harshness, frailty, pale.